Right here I have a new speaker from Tronsmart. This is a Tronsmart Bang 2. I've already showed you one product from this brand. It was this big speaker Tronsmart Bang Max, and here is a newer model, Bang 2. It is smaller than this one, but it has 90 watt speakers, so still powerful. A little bit less than this, but still a lot. Big change is that it has USB-C now. Its battery lasts for 26 hours of playtime, but with the USB-C you can even easier charge it up using a power bank or any USB-C charger, so it is easier to charge it. And you can see it is smaller than this one, so it is more portable for traveling or taking it anywhere with us. And let's unbox it and see it. And what do we receive in this package? Here we have some papers, user manual, we have about Tronsmart, warranty card, and USB-C to USB-C cable. And in the second package, we have that belt for traveling. We can attach it to the speaker and put the speaker on our arm and travel with it like this. I will mount it later. And here is the speaker. Tronsmart, you can see it is smaller, more portable. Here is Bang 2. The control panel looks similar. And additionally, here we have those hooks for the belt. It is waterproof. So here we have protection on the back to all the ports. And here we have USB-C for charging, jack port, USB-A for charging other devices, micro SD, and reset button. Let's try this belt. Easy mounting. It can rotate, so we cannot put it on the wrong side. We can make it longer, and we can, like this, travel with the speaker. Portable, easily and comfortable, so perfect for traveling. And it's not that heavy, it's quite light for its size. It's much lighter than this Bang Max speaker. And we can also easily disconnect this belt. So let's turn it on and see if it is working. And let's power to it. I am connected easily without any problem. It also has a mobile app, the same app as for other devices from Tronsmart. Let's open the app. Here we have a control panel. We have also equalizer and more settings like input source, stereo powering. Because similarly, like in other Tronsmart devices, we can connect two speakers like this for a stereo mode, or we can connect up to 100 speakers together to play the music on larger area, because we can spread the speakers every few meters and we will have a good sound on a larger area. And we can also control the lights because it has built-in lights, as you can see. Let's play some music. It is loud. It may be quieter than this one, but it is much smaller than this one. So I understand that it may be quieter, but still very loud. So as expected from Tronsmart, the quality is good, the audio is clear, it is really loud, but I expected this because I've already tested other devices from them, so I knew what to expect, especially that this is their newer model, so of course it is high quality. So a nice portable speaker, not so big, not so small, just in the middle, perfect balance between portable speaker and loud high quality speaker. You can of course see my previous video if you want even bigger, even more powerful speaker. But if you are looking for something more portable that you can easily take with you anywhere, and you can charge it easily using USB-C, so even that it has 26 hours playtime, you can make it even longer using a power bank or any USB-C charger. And also you can charge your smartphone from the speaker because of the USB-A output. So I think this is a good balance between portable speaker and powerful speaker. If you want to read more about the speaker, you can check the link in the description. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.